In today's video on Bountiful Homestead, we're digging into the world of vertical gardening, a perfect solution for those of us who love gardening, but might not have the luxury of expansive outdoor spaces. Vertical gardening isn't just a practical solution for small spaces. It's also a stunning way to display your plants, turning a blank wall or balcony into a lush green oasis. First up, let's talk about setting up your vertical garden. You don't need a lot of fancy equipment to get started. Many DIY enthusiasts use pallets, hanging pockets, or even repurposed shoe organizers. The key is ensuring whatever structure you choose has enough depth for soil and root growth and adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging. When it comes to selecting plants for your vertical garden, the world is your oyster, but some plants naturally thrive more in this setup. Succulents, for example, are not only trendy, but they're also drought-resistant, making them ideal for vertical gardening. Herbs are another excellent choice. Imagine having a living wall of basil, thyme, and mint at your fingertips. And let's not forget about ferns and air plants, which can add texture and visual interest to your green wall. Maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your vertical garden. Regular watering is a given, but because these gardens can dry out faster, especially if they're outdoors, a drip irrigation system might be your best friend here. Check out the link in the description for an excellent source of irrigation and gardening products. It delivers water directly to the roots efficiently and can save you a lot of time and hassle. Additionally, don't forget about fertilization. A slow-release organic fertilizer can provide your plants with nutrients over time, ensuring they stay vibrant and healthy. Lighting is another important aspect. While some plants thrive in direct sunlight, others prefer shaded or semi-shaded environments. Make sure to position your vertical garden in a spot that meets the light requirements of the plants you've chosen. If outdoor space is limited, or light conditions are less than ideal, consider using grow lights for indoor setups. Finally, monitoring your plants for pests and diseases is vital. The close proximity of the plants in vertical gardens can sometimes facilitate the spread of these unwelcome guests. Keep an eye out for any signs of distress and treat them promptly with natural remedies whenever possible. Creating a vertical garden is an incredibly rewarding project that not only beautifies your space, but also allows you to grow your own plants, even in the smallest of areas. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the possibilities are endless. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's bring those vertical garden ideas to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bountiful Homestead for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration. Happy gardening, everyone!